Alrighty, boys, we out here doing the second leg of scouting today. Look at that Porsche. Ooh, looking hella clean. Zahn says this is his time, so he's gonna try to beat him off the line. I don't think it's gonna happen, bro. I don't think that thing's gonna happen at all. But fuck.
Are we doing a race?
He said, "Is this my time?" We about to get gapped.
Head start.
Uh-oh.
Turn single first. Go!
Go! Are you even on it?
This is all I got!
All right, we rolling up on some of the boys right now. We've got Eamon and the RSX Unique, and then of course Beth and TJ right there, and then was that an A4? Some good rallying today. We were going to hit the North Cascades Highway, and it's going to be super fire. We've got the Diablo Lake area as well. It's going to be super pretty. We're just scouting again. All right, we pulling up on Cars and Coffee. Got some GTRs over there. I don't know where TJ parked. We got some NSXs all lined up right here. This is sweet. And then the new GR86, a Tezzy. Yeah, park. TJ parked over there, so we can just park next to the Lexus. Although it is a little cramped probably right there. Ray Bao has joined the party. Whole clubbing out here. Supra. Very nice. Kind of a low-key meet. It seems like there's a Lamborghini over there. A couple Mustangs. Like I said, the line of GTRs right here. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. A little Porsche gang over here. Lotus pulling out of here. Oh, it's all slow. All right, we rolling out. The squad car's got nothing on us. Bellevue police. Sentence.
It was about 2 minutes and I still haven't seen any. Come to a halt from 150. What?
There's our boys right there.
Did you get my...
So we obviously got here first.
Tires are toasty.
Yeah, the brakes are toasty, more like it. Sorry. Like, hey, we on the wide angle, we good.
Yeah, right.
But there's the boys. You can see the Porsches, and then we got Unique and Bo Yang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the rolling, boys, the rolling. And the Audi A3 and the Audi RS6 and the Audi A4. All the Audi gang is here. Alrighty, so we've lost all of our service out here, but we are at the lake. I believe this is Diablo, and then we've got all the cars up. TJ's got his Porsche out here next to the water. Look at that fine water. Very pretty. Zahn said he got the shot. The shot. Let's come peek some of these tons. Oh!
Yeah, we'll shoot it in real time. I'll shoot it again just
Okay. Ooh, crispy. Zani Media out here with the bangers.
You know what we do.
Yo. All right, we got a little bit of rock slide here. Just making sure all the boys make it through safe here. Look at that. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but look at all those rocks on the road. It's pretty bad up there. We could clear a little bit. I think we should, but yeah, there they go. Yo, time for a shower, boys?
How many likes on the video for me to hop in the next waterfall we see?
Bet. Yeah, watch out for these. All right, we cleared the road. Got some nice thank yous from the boys.
Hey, you're doing God's work. Or the Lord's, whatever it is. We're doing helping out.
Anyways, we got everybody posted up there, so we're good now.
I was like, I came up and I was right on him. I can hear him in my ears.
Yo, I hopped in with Ray. Look at these crazy views right now. We've got the perfect lighting of the sunset coming out. Oh my god, we are lost. Those guys are way up there, and then we got two guys behind us still, so we're kind of in the middle right now. Oh man, we're coming up on this lake, river. I think this might be the river. They're the boys fucking yeeting past people right now. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, what a view. Yo, look at this bridge. It's the BB Bridge. Look at that stick. Woo! And then it raises up in the middle. Here's the Columbia River gorge right here.